Hi students, it's Professor Howard. I wanted to just take a moment to say hello and also make sure that you know how to navigate our D2L site. For an 8-week section, this can move very fast, and if you don't know what you're doing, it's very easy to get behind. So I just want to take you through it and make sure you know where to find everything. So this should look familiar. This is the student view of our D2L page. If you haven't logged in, it's time to do that. I have my welcome here, little information, and some shortcuts to a lot of our key things to help you get started. Make sure you're checking these announcements. I'm going to put reminders, information about upcoming assignments. Those will all go in the assignments. To navigate our D2L page, you want to do everything through content. That's right here at the top left. If you click on that, you'll see that I have this long menu with everything here. These are your content pages. You don't want to navigate to your assignments from the toolbar. You'll miss a lot of information. If you go, however, to your content page, so this is week 1A, you'll see you've got everything you need. A little bit of an overview, the objectives, things about how this class is working, and all the links that you need to complete your assignments, all the videos, and then at the bottom, the activities. These are things that you need to actually submit. All of that you can find through the content pages. You have 2 content pages per week because this is an 8-week course. For 16 weeks, I do 1 a week. You guys are moving at an aggressive schedule, so we just got to make sure we're ready and on top of it. You can see here on the content pages, you've got week 1A and 1B. Those are both due at the end of week 1. Then we've got 2A, 2B. So you'll complete A first and then B, mostly because that's chronological. And so that just makes a lot of sense as you're going through the history. But it is, we do have due dates for everything, but we don't have start dates. So you can get going on everything. I don't have a start date for each of these, but I do have due dates for each of these to help you stay on track. Once you get to, I think it's week 3, you see this? There is more than one chapter due. So make sure you're on that content page and you're looking at what the assigned readings are in your textbook, as well as any documentaries, and then your primary source that you'll be looking at each week, and then your activities that are due. So content pages are the way to navigate. After the B section of each content page, I have this checklist. That's to help you stay on track. Again, an 8-week class, it's rough. It can go really fast. So just to make sure you're on top of the assignments that are due, this will help you check those off. It's just optional. It's just to help you, but hopefully it will help you stay on top of things. If you need to check your grades, I don't have a link to that on the content pages. You can find that by clicking on grades, and that will give you all of the assignments. I do grade within the week, sometimes by usually the following weekend, following the due date of the assignments. If you submit something late, I'll take it. There's a deduction, not with discussions. I won't take late discussions because they're supposed to be discussions, but other assignments I will take late. So if you submit something and it's not graded right away, send me an email. I'll get to it. Sometimes with late assignments, I just prioritize doing the things that were on time to keep everybody on track. The other thing to note is under content, we have this course information tab. That has everything that you need to just any extras that you might need for the class. We've got the syllabus here. This is my information on my Zoom and office hours, which are optional, and then some information for our final that you'll find helpful later. So I hope that's enough to get you started. Remember, email is the best way to reach me, and I look forward to working with you this semester.